If you're seeing Steam error 740, don't worry. This is a common Windows permission issue, and in most cases, it's very easy to fix. Error 740 usually means the requested operation requires elevation, which basically means Steam or the game you're trying to launch needs administrator privileges to run properly. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back to gaming as fast as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Now, let's jump in. The first thing you should try is running Steam as an administrator. This is the most common solution because Windows may be blocking Steam from launching the game with the permissions it needs. To do this, close Steam completely if it's already open. Then go to your Steam shortcut on the desktop or find Steam in your Start menu. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once Steam opens with elevated privileges, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem instantly. If you still get Steam error 740, the next step is to run the game's main executable file as administrator. To find it, open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game that is giving you the error, select Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. This will open the folder where the game is installed on your PC. Inside that folder, look for the main.exe file for the game. It may have the game's name or a launcher name depending on how the game is installed. Once you find it, right-click the exe file and select Run as Administrator. Again, approve the Windows prompt if it appears. This can fix the issue if the game itself needs elevated privilege rather than Steam. After doing that, try launching the game normally through Steam and check if it now opens without the error. If everything works, you may want to keep using the administrator method only when needed, because not every app should always run with elevated privileges. But for troubleshooting Steam error 740, these two methods are the fastest and most reliable fixes. Before you go, if this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. It really helps a lot and lets me keep making simple tutorials like this. And if you're still having trouble after trying both steps, leave a comment with the exact game name and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.